I'll talk to you soon.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Boom! Ooh. And that's how you close a $500 deal on the phone.
Damn. Stop! I got a question for you. Have you ever wanted to be in real estate and maybe you thought, I just don't have a license, or I just don't have the money to go get my license? Or maybe you thought, there's no way that I could build a real estate business while working my 9 to 5. I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. See, I've got students that have made tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even a couple that have made millions flipping houses, but not the old traditional way. That's right, flipping the paperwork in 5 hours. That's right, 5hourfliplive.com is a place that you want to go check out right now, because on July 13th and 14th, I've got an event where I'm going to open up my books and show you exactly how I've flipped over 7,000 properties and have made millions of dollars with people just like you. So do yourself a favor, click the link, the number 5hourfliplive.com. Do it. Let's go. Let's get it today.